Are you feeling overwhelmed by the different investment options available and unsure of whether you will be settling down in Canada for longer term? Don't let that confusion hold you back any longer, because today we are going to solve that confusion for you. Welcome to Investing for Immigrants, where we unlock the secrets of successful investing in Canada. Hi, I am Raj, and I am here to guide you with your journey as a new immigrant in Canada towards successful investing. Now, before we dive into the showdown between the RRSPs and the TFSAs of the world, let me start by explaining what these savings options are for the people who are not familiar. An RRSP, or Registered Retirement Savings Plan, is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your retirement goals. When you make contributions to your RRSP, you are making a smart investment in future. The best part is that these contributions are tax deductible, give you a chance to reduce the amount of income tax you owe to the government. But it's important to remember that when you withdraw the money from your RRSP at some point of time, it is taxed as income, so plan accordingly and make sure you are making the most out of your investments. On the other hand, the TFSA, or the tax-free savings account, is like a secret weapon of your financial arsenal. It allows you to save and invest money without worrying about your taxes on any capital gains, dividends, or interest earned, giving you the freedom to watch your money grow at an accelerated rate. However, keep in mind that while you won't pay taxes on your gains, contributions to the TFSAs are tax deductible. So technically, you are paying or investing on your TFSA with your after-tax income. Now let's try to solve your confusion based on if you're planning to stay in Canada for longer term or not, and which one to invest. But before we begin, I would really appreciate if you would give a like to this video, because that will help us support and grow this channel on YouTube. Now, are you on the fence for settling down in Canada over longer term? In that case, TFSA will be a game changer when it comes to your short-term goals. With the ability to withdraw your money at any point of time, it gives you the ultimate flexibility to make these decisions when it comes to savings for your new house, probably, or that great vacations you always wanted to go. But if you are ready to settle down in Canada for longer term, RRSP is your way to go. Not only are contributions tax deductible, leading into significant savings over time, but withdrawals at the retirement will also be taxed at a lower bracket, which means you are significantly growing your income over time. Now let's think a little bit more about RRSPs. Can you imagine receiving a 40% tax refunds on your investments when your marginal tax bracket is more than 40%? That's a lot of money. That's like getting a free money for next 30 to 40 years, and no investment is going to give you 40% return at one point of time. So why not take this cash back and start investing right away? I believe it's time to take the advantage of this opportunity and start investing in RRSP as soon as possible if you are planning to settle down in Canada for longer term, because the tax refunds really changes the whole game for you. RRSPs and TFSAs are both valuable to Canadians, but they both come with the specific types of goals and investment strategies in mind. The choice is yours, but remember that the right decision can set you on the path towards the financial success of your life. If you are really planning on settling down here in Canada and don't want to miss out on tips to live a better life as an immigrant in Canada, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. But if you are ready to plan, but if you're but